I got it. I got it. Fuck.
Weather bulletin for the following counties: Indiana, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m.
SVR.
37 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Homer City, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Homer City, Mooson Mines, Brush Valley, Yellow Creek State Park. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.